Adding and subtracting fractions, we need to have the common denominator. So start by multiplying 2 and 3 together to get your common denominator. Then we're going to do 1 multiplied by 3 to get 3, 1 multiplied by 2 to get 2, and we're adding them together because we're adding together these fractions. 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 times 3 is 6, 5 6. Common denominator, the bottom number is going to be 5 times by 7. 7 times by 2 is 14, and we're adding it to 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15, equals 39 over 35. Improper fraction means the number on the top is bigger than the number on the bottom. We convert that to a mixed number. How many 35s go into 39? We have one whole one there with 4 35ths left over remaining. A subtraction then follow the same process. We have to have a common denominator. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, and we're subtracting 1 multiplied by 9 equals 11 over 45.